Hi guys, I Aziz welcome you to CoedMaster. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. With this video, I am starting a brand new series on files class in Java. Now you may ask that despite of having so many classes in Java, why I am specifically talking about files class? Well, the real cool thing about files class is that this is the only class which allows you to interact with the file system of your operating system. And this class belongs to java.nio.file package. And here NIO stands for native input output. So all the classes that interacts with input output operations belongs to native input output package. So using this class, you can perform all the operation that you usually perform on files and folders, like creating a files and folder, deleting files and folder, reading and writing files. So because of all of these features, it is really essential to learn this class to become a better Java developer. And if you have not used this class up until now, so anyway sooner or later you will be going to use this class. So it's better to prepare yourself ahead of time. So when time comes, you will feel more confident using this class. So basically we are not going to study only this class. Usually this class accompanied with a interface, and that is path interface. Now what does it mean by path interface? So guys, path interface represents the path of files and folder. Now you may ask that what is path? So guys, path is nothing but it's a location of files and folder from the root of the file system to the specific files and folder. And usually path composed of sequence of directories and file names separated by separator or delimiter. For example, this is a path. So you can see over here that this path composed of a sequence of folder names that are temporary, local, project and src, and in the last we have a file name main.java, and all of these parts are separated using a delimiter, that is slash. So whenever we will use files class, we are going to use the instance of path interface to indicate the files class that which file or folder we want to access or operate on. So I hope guys by now this is clear to you that what is files class and what is the significance of files class. If still it is not clear to you, we will discuss files class and path interface in the upcoming hands-on videos. Now let's move on to the next section. So in this section we are going to talk about all the topics we are going to cover in this playlist. So the first topic we are going to cover is what are the different ways of creating a path, and I will explain what is the difference between absolute and relative path. Then I will show you how to create directory and file using files class, and after that I will show you different ways to write and read a file, and then I will show you how to move a file in a specific folder, and after this I will show you some of the most commonly used method that we can call on file class to get the insights about the given file. Then after this, I will show you how to list files and folder of a specific folder. Then last but not the least, I will show you how to delete files and folder using files class. So guys, these are the extensive list of things we are going to cover in this playlist. So guys, I am super excited to learn everything about files class in Java. And I hope you are also very excited to learn files class in Java to become a better Java developer. So on this note, let's end this video. So in next video, we will see what are the different ways of creating path object in Java. And along with that, I will also show you what is the difference between absolute and the relative path. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.